Okay, hello everybody. This is Opinion Fashion School. Today we are drafting mermaid pattern. Okay, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. Click the notification button so that when next we upload the video, you get notified. Comment and share with your friends. Thank you. So today our model measurement. We need the following measurement. We need waist, hip, knee, and full length. So our model waist is 24, our hip is 31, we're going to calculate the knee, and then our length is 39. Okay. So our hip line is 8 inches. Our knee is so our short skirt length is 23 minus 5, that's 18. Okay. And then we have the full skirt length. Okay, so for the knee, you can actually measure it on your client's body to know exactly where the client wants it to be. Some people don't want it to get to the knee, some people want it to get exactly to the knee. Can you please confirm with your client before you assume anything? Okay. And the length again, 39. Okay, so draw the line before you start your measurement. Okay, so like I said, our waist is 24 divided by um 4, that is 6. Now, it is advisable that you do this with a fabric that's stretched, like a scuba or crepe. But if you don't have a fabric that's stretched, that is okay. You can also make this design with uh, cotton, with Ankara lace or any other thing. But for that full effect, I prefer to use scuba. Okay, so because I'm drafting this for scuba, I'm not going to put sewing allowance, and then we will not have that. So our exact measurements: 24 divided by um 4, that's 6, right? So I'm going to mark 6 exactly. Okay, and our hip is 31, that's 7.75 exactly. So you come here and you take 1 inch or 1.5 as you desire. If since it's a scuba that we're working with, we are going to do 1.5 here at the knee. And then you come here to have the fullness. You can add 6 inches, you can add 8 inches, you can add 10 inches as you desire to the hip measurement. 7.75. This is the hip measurement. So this is what I mean. You can add 6 inches, you can add 8 inches as your fabric can take. But for this, for the purpose of this class, we are adding 6 inches. And then we connect the dots. Okay, so we have this right now. So this is the M allowance. The M allowance and the measurement should be the same thing. However, if you don't leave out like half inch or 0.75, you are going to have an excess at the side of your dress that you don't need. So you do this like so. Okay, so this is our pattern. So for the front panel, you take away the an inch for this side. Okay, if you are going to add elastic into this skirt, please, this part is not compulsory, it's optional. If you are going to add elastic into this skirt, please add the allowance is here. So you are going to insert that elastic, that 1 inch elastic into it, which means you need 2 inch up here, 2 inches up here. Like I said, this is optional, it's not compulsory, which is why we did not draft it from the onset. So you are going to have something like this, right? Okay. So if you are so you're going to turn this so and then you insert elastic inside it if you want to insert elastic. But if you are not inserting elastic, this part is not compulsory. It's totally optional. Please let's note that. And then you do your normal. So this is the front panel of a mermaid. So the next one is we go to the back panel. Okay, so now we want to draft the back pattern. So like I said, this part is optional. So if you did not put this in your um, front panel, it means you are starting like so. But if you have added it, kindly please start with it. Okay. See, kindly note that if you are adding this, you do not need this slant. Please, if you have added these 2 inches, you do not need this front slant again. Okay. So now for the back panel. So we have different types of back for mermaid. So one of it is to have a normal simple mermaid that looks just like the front. So if you are trying to achieve that, now note also that if you have added this, it means you are adding elastic. You do not need zip allowance at the back, please. If you have added this, do not put zip allowance at the back. You don't need zip there. Okay, so now let me turn this to a pattern that does not need uh the elastic. So now this becomes a normal one with zip. Okay, so let me write optional so that you don't forget that it is not compulsory. Okay, so you now come here now and do 1 inch zip allowance. So our skirt zip again is 7 inches. Okay, so this, so from here to here, 1 inch, that is zip allowance, right? Okay, so you come to the knee level. So at the knee level, please go in by 1 inch. This is the knee level. Let me show you again. This is the knee level. This line of the knee, go in by 1 inch, right? Okay, and then you connect it with the hip curve. Okay, and then you come back out again. So this is the M line. So from that 1 inch, you come back out again. Okay, so you see that it has this deep kind of shape here to go in at the butt part, at the knee, towards the butt to the knee, and then it come back out here. So this is for the normal mermaid that the front and the back are usually the same thing. So you're ready to cut now for this. But this is not what we want to do. We want to show you how you can hat train to the back of your mermaid. So now if you are trying to add train to the back of your mermaid, please kindly measure your client and let the client tell you what they desire. You can do 10, you can do 15, you can do even up to 30, depending on what you are trying to do. So this is where the front panels end, and then we now come here. You can do 10, you can do 15 if you want, but we are going to stop here at 10. Okay, same way you can have more here, or you can leave it. So what we have here is 7.5, which I believe is not enough. So we are going to add to the panel. Okay, so for the second type of mermaid, once you come in at the knee level, like we did for the first back, once you come in here, you don't go straight here. So you bring it to the 10-inch that we want to use all the way as your fabric can accommodate. Like so, if you notice, you see that we have added more pattern paper to this. So you come as long as your fabric can do. But this is a sharp effect. Please do not cut it sharp. Okay. So no matter how long this side, the back or the length is, it must come back to this side. They must be the same thing. Here. So it's coming like so. So now this is a moderate train. Please note that this is a moderate train. This train is not enough for a wedding dress or a cocktail or a dramatic train. So this is okay for like a prom dress or normal ashwebi or any of those mermaid that does not really need drama. If you want more drama, it means you're going to have more here and then you're going to have more here, depending on your availability of fabric and the design that your client or you yourself want. Okay, so I'm going to cut this out. Please note that this is not on fold. Please note that it is not on fold. So which means that if you want to cut it, make sure that your fabric is on fold. So this is a train cut together with mermaid. You can also add a train to it. So this is what you have now. Okay, so this is our front and back panel. I'm sure you love what you are seeing. I'm sure you love what you are seeing already. Okay, so this is the complete front and back. Make an attempt. Let us know if you need us to show you how to join this so that we make a video for you. Also, comment, like, and share with your friend. If you are yet to click on the subscribe button, can you subscribe to our channel and then click the notification button so that next time we upload an awesome video, you get notified. Thank you very much.